Welcome to TLC Electronics. I'd like to take you on a tour of our building. We're upstairs on our mezzanine overlooking our production floor. The way our floor is set up is parts come in through the receiving dock in the back. It's set up in a nice smooth flow where they can either go back to the warehouse or right out to the production floor. It then jumps into our automated equipment, up through general assembly to QA, and then finally right back out through the shipping doors. Nice circular motion. Next, we're going to go down and we'll take you right on the production floor. All right, we are now in our tooling crib. We've, over 36 years, accumulated lots of tools. You can see behind me there's over 750 hand tools. And we also have over 250 die sets. Accumulating all those hand tools and die sets saves our customers time and money when they first start a project. We also keep our semi-automatic equipment on carts. This helps us to easily maneuver our work cells when we have low volume, high mix jobs. Next, we're going to go check out the fully automatic equipment. All right, we are now in our fully automatic equipment area. Those die sets that we just saw can be put on any one of these 5 pieces of equipment or our semi-automatic equipment. The fully automatic equipment will cut the wire, strip the wire, crimp the wire, and test it on both sides. We can cut down to 3/4 of an inch, and these machines can process wire at a speed of 2,000 crimps per hour. Next, we're going to go check out our general assembly area. All right, we are now in our general assembly area. And so in our general assembly, over here to my right is where we cut shrink tube, we cut expando, and we can make our own labels. Those labels can be wraparound or flag labels. On my left, on this side, is our cell that we use typically for low volume, high mix. And so these are our senior assemblers that have been with us for a long time that can take a project from start to finish on low volume. Then as we keep going in our other cells, we have more of our high volume, where we're going to have multiple people on jobs and they do one step and would hand it on to the next person. All right, so now we're coming up on one of our box builds. So this assembly, we have multiple steps. It goes out to molding, comes back, and we do the final assembly and final testing. Also in this cell, you can see we've moved one of our semi-automatic pieces of equipment right in the cell on this side, and on this side we have a label machine that will do a wraparound label automatic on the cable. Now we'll go check out one more box build. All right, we're in the work cell now of another box build that we do. This customer came to us and they had a big project that had multiple sub-assemblies. We created a space just for this customer, just for this project, and we have space to do the same for another customer. In this cell you can see there's a sub-assembly for different portions of this drone project that we're working on. We've also created a video specifically for this drone project, so please check out our YouTube channel. All right, we are now in our first article and QRM cell. Our first article team will take a project from the engineering team at TLC and they'll build a one piece that makes sure it's exactly what the customer wants. Sometimes there's some interpretation in drawings, and so building a one piece is a perfect way to make sure that the customer and our translation of the customer's drawing is perfect. Also in this cell is our quick response manufacturing. Quick response manufacturing is for customers because sometimes the interconnect is the last thing to be designed. The wire assemblies that connect the fan to the printed circuit board or the power switch to the printed circuit board. They're the last thing that can get figured out. And so often the project needs to be sped up right at the end, and that's exactly what the QRM cell was built for. All right, we are now in our QA department, which is our quality assurance department. In quality assurance, we check for 100% continuity in shorts. We check for physical attributes that the customer would like us to, such as length, strip length, make sure there's not nicks. We produce our cable assemblies to IPC standards IPC 620, either class 2 or class 3, depending on the customer and what the requests are. After this, our products get packaged and shipped right to our customers. Well, thank you for joining us on the tour today. Please make sure to contact us for a personal tour, and please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel and connect to us on LinkedIn and check out our website. Thank you and have a great day.